the theme suggested for this particular session is imperatives for growth in the knowledge economy. We have distinguished vice chancellors from the conventional university system, open university system, triple IT, and as the panelists, and also in the audience we have very eminent, experienced people who have been working in this area for the last several years. We have also amongst you people who are working in the education sector, technology integration in the education sector from the corporate in a very significant way. The theme, of course, some very flexible title has been given. The purpose of this conclave is to bring together the leaders in the field for discovering the methods and modules for producing human capacity for excellence. There is no need of making an introductory speech on this particular subject. All over the world, the vocabulary of education is changing. And the role of technology, the role of new technology, the role of media, everything is very important. In 2000, the United Nations have proposed the 8 Millennium Developmental Goals. How the technology, how the new media can address the challenges in education, challenges in literacy, challenges in health, challenges in education. And we have achieved significantly, but we are lagging behind. And in the knowledge, in the development of the knowledge economy, the role of education, there is no need of what type of knowledge and what type of skills are from time to time. And the very purpose of education is to improve the quality of life and life management systems. And the ways and means by which we provide education has to be in line with the happenings in other sectors. What is happening in the industry? What is happening in the corporate sector? These need to be reflected in the day-to-day working of the university system in the country. When we talk about universities, we all know that universities are the places change is rather slowest, not only in India, all over the world. It's not all over the world it is like that. Because universities have definitely, the processes have some sort of a rigor, the academic rigor has to be there in each and every activity. And this particular session is, the panelists are very eminent academics who are chairing the universities, who are heading the universities, who are leading the universities. Whether our procedures, whether the university's procedures are facilitative of the urgent changes which are required in the education system. That is the question we have to ask ourselves. The Act, the statutes, the regulations, whether these are in line, whether this can really accommodate the fast changes, the very fast changes which are occurring in the knowledge economy. That is the thing probably we have to ask. Why I put this question is that I have been the vice chancellor of a few universities for the last 20 years almost. And I was also heading the University Grants Commission, National Assessment and Accreditation Council, looking after the various universities and colleges' quality. And of course now I am with one of the open universities in the country, Indira Gandhi National Open University. I think universities are universities should be places for all imaginable activities. Nothing is not now act, no regulation of any university prevents the institution from entering into dialogue with credible civil society organizations, corporates, and any other sector which is involved in education. We had several sessions on public-private participation, technology integrations. Yesterday we had 1 or 2 sessions. Today morning also we had a very important session. I think we have to think on those lines. For example, role to look at the skill development also. If only 5% of the working population in this country is only certified with some sort of a skills, in contrast to over 85% or 90% in developed countries. In South Korea, there was a mention in the morning session I heard. We have to look at it. Why this skill development is not happening? How the universities can also provide leadership in providing skill development, and then how skill development can be linked with the university system, higher education system. Developed countries have done it. 46% of the university students in the US go to the universities through first acquiring skill development through community colleges, and then only they go to the universities. 46% of the university students. There is also something, for example, many of the students are, the rest are going directly to the universities. Even such students come back to the skill development sector at any stage. At some stage, they call it reverse transfer from the university to the skill development center. It is very important that whether it be a university student, whether it be in the conventional university system or any university system, they should also acquire skills. There was NASCOM reports reference was there